हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल सरस फैशन हाउस। जैसे कि पिछली बार मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं आपके लिए रिव्यू वीडियो लेकर आने वाली हूँ फॉर जीके स्टोर्स। इट्स एन ऑनलाइन स्टोर, दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर वेबसाइट। सो यस, सो आई होप यू कैन सी इट्स ZEEKAY जीके। मैंने काफ़ी ईयरिंग्स उनसे परचेज किए इसके पहले भी, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे उनके क्वालिटी वाइज, प्राइस, एवरीथिंग। इस बार मैंने कुछ ईयरिंग्स ऑर्डर किए थे एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, all the earrings are showstoppers. So let me review one by one for you. Let's start with my favorite, one of my favorite jhumka. Okay, so this all the earrings comes in a plastic packaging like this. All right, okay, so this is how the jhumka you can see. Yes, okay, let me wear it and show it to you. Such a stunning piece. Yes, yeah, so look at this stunning piece. I hope you all can see it. So this is in golden color, a matte finish with pearls in this flower shape, and then you have a small pearls here as a dangler. Yeah, so इस तरीके के earrings आप कुर्तीज पे, साड़ीज पे, it will go very well. And when you hear the price is just for 160 rupees. Can you believe it? So yes, एक और चीज़, ये सारे इयरिंग्स मैंने तभी परचेस किए थे जब इनका सेल चालू था. सो यू कैन गो टू द वेबसाइट, आप वेबसाइट पे चेक कर सकते हो करंट प्राइस. मैं लिंक के साथ इफ़ पॉसिबल फॉर मी मैं आपको लिंक दे दूँगी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप चेक कर सकते हो. प्लीज़ चेक इट. या so this is another one. Okay, can you see the flower shape and the beads and above here? Okay, it's one of the showstopper piece. Yes, let me wear it and show it for you guys. So this is how the earring look like. Okay, so yeah, so this kind of earrings goes well with if you go wear any Indo-Western kind of a dress, or even saris. So yeah, and it's also a very lightweighted, and it's just priced at rupees 150. Yeah guys, please go and check the website and buy one for you guys. Now guys, see, this is one of my favorite earring. Look at the design, look at the integrated design of Ganesha face and the pearls dangling here. Yeah, आई एम श्योर आपने बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स में ये ऑनलाइन ट्रेंडिंग देखा होगा. बहुत लोगों ने मुझे इसका रिव्यू के लिए बोला, तो मैंने सोचा लेट्स बाय वन फॉर मी. लेट मी वेयर इट एंड शो इट फॉर यू. Guys, look at this beautiful earring. Look, my god, such a beautiful earring. This kind of a earring goes well with anything you wear. You wear Indo-Western, you wear kurtas, आप साड़ी पहनो, सिर्फ एक earring and you are good to go for any of the event. Such a stunning piece. Yeah, I'm sure you would definitely like this. It's in silver, blackish silver color, and you have here the black color beads, and then this white color pearls dangling here. This is Trishul shaped. Right, this, I'm sure every one of you must be waiting for the review of this video. मैंने I can't wait to wear this. Seriously, this is one of my very 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 favorite earring. बहुत टाइम से मैं ये लेने की सोची थी, but I was very doubt about the quality, how it will come, कैसे आएगा. And see, right? Let me wear it and show it for you guys. Yeah. See, my God. There's a size, and it's not even very weighted, it's very light weighted. And इस तरीके के earrings goes well with anything. आप इंडो वेस्टर्न पहनो, आप कुर्तीज पहनो, आप साड़ी पहनो, any kind of a cotton wear, it goes very ethnic at the same time, very showstopper. Yeah, look at this piece. Tell me one thing, after seeing this, आपको लगता है ये कितना वेट होगा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. It's very very light weighted, just like a feather. I'll wear it and I'll show it to you. How does it look? Okay. See guys, how it's, believe the weight of this earring is just as it is as a feather. देखिए कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. It's in rose gold color. You have many colors in this, but I personally like this rose color, so I bought this. You have blue color, you have black color, you have white, I think. Yes, so this kind of earrings goes well with Indo-Western, even on sarees, or you wear anything, a gown or. Recently Instagram में बहुत trending एक earring है, that is this. It's an ear cuff. Yeah, this is like this. Okay, so you have to wear actually the down one like this, and yeah, look, such a beautiful and stylish piece. Not only one ear cuff, you also have another earring, a heart shaped earring. Can you see this? Yeah, in another ear. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This I'm definitely in love with. Yeah, another one. Okay, so this is a ghungru set which I recently saw on the Instagram page, many of them. So there was earring as well as the pile with this, but then I really don't wanted earring, so I bought a pile. Yeah, so you have like this. Okay, I show a picture of wearing this. You have to, so if you want you can wear it too, if you are wearing any ethnic piece, or as if you want to be very stylish, you can wear it with the cropped jeans or only on a single leg. It still looks amazing. The beads, even they are not very weight, they are very light in weight, but at the same time very beautiful. Check it out guys. This is priced only for 100. Yes, only for 100. Now when I bought this all the earrings, there was a surprise gift for me in the box, and let me show it to you. It's a beautiful note written in the box. This is what the earring and the note had come in the box. Let me open it for you and read it for you guys. So this is a earring which is in silver color, and I believe this is a handmade earrings. So yes guys, please promote handmade jewelries. See, so there's such a beautiful earrings. There's something written on. I'll just wear it and show you. I'm not very fan of danglers, but then this is such beautiful, so I can't stop wearing this. Yeah, look at this. Okay, let me read a note for you guys. So the note says, thank you for your purchases. We hope you like the jewelry as much as we loved serving you. Looking forward to hear from you soon. Alright, don't forget to tag us. Definitely, GK Store, I am in love with all your earrings, so definitely I'm going to tag you guys. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Please do subscribe if you're new to the channel. Do subscribe my channel, like my channel, share it, and hit the bell icon so that you keep getting the notification from my end. Thank you so very much. Bye bye.